Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer and today I'm going to show you how to do some thrift flips or remake your clothing. Doing thrift flips and remaking your own clothing is the best way to upcycle your closet. So the first item that I chose was this crop top. I got it from my mom's and I really love the item. I wore it almost every day. I was so in love with it. But then one day there was like a foundation stain on my sleeve and I couldn't get rid of it. I washed it so many times but it wasn't coming off. So yeah, I wanted to thrift flip this one.
Hello. I'm on the road. I'm on the way. When I pull up to your crib, I don't got much to say. I know you want me. You know it too. I got one thing on my mind, and girl, you know it's you. Up in the bed, up in the sheets. Tonight we ain't gon' sleep unless you say the least. I got the tree, I got the woods. Let me know if you want it, and I can bring the woods. I'm on the road. I'm on the way. When I pull up to your crib, I don't got much to say. I know you want me. You know it too. I got one thing on my mind, and girl, you know it's you. Up in the bed, up in the sheets. Tonight we ain't gon' sleep unless you say the least. I got the tree, I got the woods. Let me know if you want it, and I can bring the woods. I'm on the road. I'm on the way. When I pull up to your crib, I don't got much to say. I know you want me. You know it too. I got one thing on my mind, and girl, you know it's you. Up in the bed, up in the sheets. Tonight we ain't gon' sleep unless you say the least. I got the tree, I got the woods. Let me know.
And for the second item, I chose this long oversized t-shirt, the green t-shirt I got from Misguided. Unfortunately, the print of the t-shirt faded away in the wash after like a year. So yeah, I was pretty sad about that because it's honestly my favorite t-shirt. So I decided to do a thrift flip remake on this shirt. Very long skirt. I got it from Naked, but it wasn't really flattering on me at all. So I thought, okay, I should thrift flip it into like a mini skirt with a cute top, like in a two-piece. But yeah, I failed at that. I'm not a pro at sewing. I do like basic sewing techniques. So when I made the top out of the fabric that I had left from the skirt, I epically failed. It was so bad. So I was busy making this top and I realized when I was done that it was way too small. Like my boob couldn't even fit in these. So yeah, I was so sad because I really wanted to make a two-piece set. I think I pretty much did a good job though for the first time, but it's just way too small and there wasn't any fabric left anymore for me to make another top out of it.